I'm going to say this out loud for all the municipalities and businesses out there. Fill those dang potholes. And that couldn't be any easier thanks to this week's featured product, Perma-Patch. Cracks in pavement allow water to pool underneath the road. When the temperature gets below zero, that water freezes and expands, causing the pavement to become unstable. Once the ice melts, you've got a recipe for potholes. And with the lovely freeze-thaw cycle our Canadian winters provide, they multiply like rabbits. Perma-Patch can be used in temperatures ranging from 37 degrees Celsius all the way down to minus 17 degrees Celsius. It can even be used on potholes filled with water. Instead of waiting until the spring to fill them all at once, get them fixed before they get big enough to swallow a car whole. There's no cure time either, accepting traffic instantly, as it permanently bonds to the road around it. Just open, pour, and drive to compact it down. There's no mixing required, and it stays shelf stable for 2 years, so you'll always have a quick fix at the ready. Highways, parking lots, construction sites. This easy pour 50-pound bag can be used in nearly any scenario, lasting up to 2 times longer than the commonly used bulk patch asphalt. Each bag covers up to 5 square feet when filling to a 1-inch thickness, but this solution can be applied as thin as a 1/4 inch, supplying up to 20 square feet of coverage. So, no matter the time of the year, you can keep the road safe and smooth with this week's featured product, Perma-Patch. How many bags does your town need to fix all the roads? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to see more featured products. Have a great Canadian day.